kakain na tayo ng pho bo. So, feeling ko nasa Vietnam ako. Wow! Tingnan nyo guys. Wow!
Finally, Chow Saigon is now open from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. in the evening, mga millennials. Located at Friendship Highway, Angeles City, Pampanga. Experience the vibrant flavor of Vietnam and Thailand cuisine.
Chef Glenn po, mga millennials. And Sir Andy, who's cooking our food. Guys, social yung mga ano ko dito, mga chef. Nakikita niyo yung mga talent dito.
Okay yan.
So, ano yung sir? So, pad thai.
Pad thai, favorite na pad thai.
Whoa, wow! Ano yan, sir? Beef pad thai. Okay. So, mga millennials, beef pad thai ang ginagawa ng ating mga chef. Ano to, sir?
Shrimp fried roll yan.
Shrimp fried roll. Fried roll. So, para siyang tempura, pero shrimp fried roll siya, guys.
Shrimp fried roll. Looks so yummy.
Wow! Ano yan, sir? Pad thai?
Pad thai. Beef pad thai.
Beef pad thai, guys.
This is our best menu. Pho. Beef noodle soup.
Beef noodle soup. Okay. Wow. By Chef Andy. Right. So this is beef, sir.
Yes, beef. Our beef is not raw. We will using the smoker.
Okay. Yeah, the smoker. To make it tender.
Tender.
The aroma itself. Okay. Perfect. Alright. Wow. Beef pho for the win. Vietnamese noodles, guys. Wow. Love it. Fresh spring roll.
Favorite ko nga palang kinakain ang fresh spring roll ng Vietnamese, mga millennials. Aside sa napaka-healthy nito, hindi rin nakakasawang kainin. Marami kayong pagpipilian Vietnamese and Thai dishes that will bring you the freshest ingredients and traditional recipes. Chow Saigon is your ultimate destination for an authentic and flavorful Vietnamese and Thai cuisine. Pair your meal with their signature Vietnamese drinks or Thai beverages for complete dining experience. Chow Saigon is here to bring you the vibrant flavors of Vietnam and Thailand to your table. Ano pang hinihintay nyo, mga millennials? Yayaan nyo na magbanding ang inyong family or friends para matry nyo na ang authentic Vietnamese and Thailand cuisine. Dito lang yan sa Chow Saigon. At ang place nila, napaka-aesthetic.
Braised pork knuckles, mga millennials. So, 5 hours kung smoke yung kanilang mga meat. Kaya ganyan ka-tender at mag-juice.
Food is now ready to serve. For sure, mga millennials, na-excite na rin kayo pumunta dito sa Chow Saigon.
So, ito guys, yung pho bo, also known as beef noodles. Sauce base natin siya ng lime. Then, let's add some cilantro. Konti-konti lang po. Separate kasi yung cilantro, guys, kasi iba-iba yung taste ng mga tao. Yung iba, hindi nila gusto yung may cilantro. So, kanya-kanyang preference siya, guys. Wow! Love it! Wow! Then, let's add some beef. Since pho bo ito, also known as beef noodles, ayan, lagyan natin siya ng cilantro. Then, of course, lagyan natin ng soup. So, feeling ko nasa Vietnam ako. Wow! Grabe. Guys, pantay naman ang ating next. Wow! Look at that! Yummy! Okay. Food tasting na naman. Pantay. Sarap. Hindi siya overcooked. Yung kasi yung gusto ko sa noodles, yung al dente. Pwede nyo lagyan ng sriracha ang yung pad thai. Kung ano lang yung kaya ng tolerance nyo. So ito naman guys, panseo. Para siyang omelette guys. Pero nakikita nyo naman, no? Kakaibang style ng omelette. No? Ito po yung laman niya. Meron siyang bean sprout, meron siyang pork and shrimp. So, food tasting. Pork, shrimp, and bean sprout. Perfect. So next naman guys, itong shrimp fried roll, fresh spring roll. Sauce nito is vinegar and of course peanut sauce. So try na muna natin ng ating shrimp fried roll. Wow! Para siyang tempura, pero syempre dahil Vietnamese meal nito, kakaiba siya guys. Grabe. In fairness guys, sarap. Thumbs up ako dito. So tikman naman natin guys kung kanilang fresh spring roll. Gamit ang kanilang peanut sauce. Okay, let's dip. Wow. Nanunod sa lasa yung shrimp. Then yung lettuce. Then of course, meron siyang pork. Meron siyang pork sa loob guys, oh. So ito guys, titikman natin yung kanilang masasarap na drinks. So let's begin with cookies and cream. So tikman naman natin guys ang kanilang winter melon cake. Panalo din po. So at last, titikman naman natin ang kanilang strawberry aid. Pero overall, masarap sila guys. Kahit ano, marirelax kapag nainom mo to and refreshing.
Super satisfied kami.
So yan mga millennials, natikman ko lahat ng kanilang mga na-serve. Pero ang nag-stand out sa panlasa ko is yung shrimp fried roll. But of course, lahat masarap. Kaya in-invite ko kayong pumunta dito sa Chow Saigon. Dito lang yan sa Korean Town, Anil City, Pampanga. Kung saan Vietnamese cuisine or Thai cuisine, all masarap.
So guys, we are inviting you to visit our new open restaurant at Chow Saigon. And then here at Korean Town, Friendship.
Love, love, love!
Ano pang hinihintay niyo mga millennials? Pumunta na kayo dito sa Chow Saigon at Angeles City.